In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase more storage for your Google account, which is used by Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. Understanding how to effectively manage and expand your storage can really streamline your digital life and help you keep everything organized and accessible. Whether you have a personal account or you're using Google Workspace for work or school, there are a few different approaches depending on your specific needs. Let's dive in and explore these options to find the best fit for you. First, let's talk about personal Google accounts. When you create a Google account, you start with 15 gigabytes of free storage. This space is shared across Google Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. Now, if you find yourself running out of space faster than you'd like, perhaps you're an avid photo taker or receive lots of large email attachments, you have the option to buy additional storage through a Google One subscription. Google One is essentially Google's subscription plan for expanded storage and comes with a range of additional benefits like Google Store discounts, special support, and more. By upgrading to Google One, you can choose from various storage plans to best suit your needs, ranging from 100 gigabytes to 2 terabytes or even more. It's flexible and straightforward to upgrade, and this extra storage will be automatically available across all your Google products. For those who are using Google Workspace for individuals, you already benefit from a default allocation of 1 terabyte of storage, which is quite a lot compared to the standard personal account. However, if you find yourself needing even more space, you will need to separately upgrade your Google One plan, since direct storage increases aren't typically available directly through Workspace. This is where Google One comes in handy again, and you can choose to bump up your storage just like with a personal account. Lastly, if you're part of a Google Workspace set up for work or school, things operate a little differently. Here, storage is generally governed by the specific type of plan your organization subscribed to. Typically, individual users can't purchase additional storage on their own. If you find yourself running low on space, the best course of action is to contact your IT administrator. They're the ones responsible for managing and upgrading storage for the organization as a whole, so they can allocate more storage to you or the necessary department based on your needs. There you have it. By understanding these 3 pathways, whether through Google One for personal use or relying on your IT administrator for professional setups, you can ensure you have plenty of storage space for all your important files and memories. Feel free to revisit this explanation whenever you need to consider your options or make any storage upgrades. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you manage your Google storage more effectively.